First, go to Ubuntu.com, and download the Ubuntu 18.04 ISO image file. Open up VMware Workstation 15, and create a new virtual machine. Choose to install it later. Select Linux, and Ubuntu 64-bit. Configure it as follow. Click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Click CD/DVD, select Use ISO image file and click Browse. Select your Ubuntu ISO file. Power up the virtual machine. Select Install Ubuntu. Select your language. Don't worry, click Continue. Type in your username and select a password. Click Restart now. You will get this error, but don't worry. Power off the virtual machine. Click on CD/DVD. Select Use Physical Drive, and power on the virtual machine. All done. Please subscribe.